What's it gonna be? What you wanna do? I just got to find some time and space to be with you. Taste the aroma all up on the G's. The word free as a bird. Swoop them down, snoop in town, blasting off in the cloud.
Feel like I'm walking on air. Feel like I'm flying. Feel like I'm
Anis featuring Snoop Dogg, Bella Blue, Walking on Air. Ένα πραγματικά αγαπημένο μας τραγούδι, smash hit, το οποίο ακούσατε πρώτοι εδώ στον UFM. Και κάπου εδώ έχουμε τη χαρά να συνομιλήσουμε ζωντανά με τον Anis.
Hello Anis, this is Nancy along with Diamantis and we are very happy having you with us today.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for having me.
And we are very happy because UFM was the first radio station which supported, liked and played so many times the amazing Walking on Air. And of course we are very happy to see this song climbs to the first position of the Greek Airplay chart, to iTunes chart, iTunes Dance chart.
Congratulations for this Anis and welcome.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for having me.
Μας ευχαριστεί πάρα πολύ ο Anis. Anis, it's totally acceptable that Walking on Air is a topmost hit now in Greece. Greek listeners really loves it. How do you find this? As you came from Australia, a country way ahead from ours, did you realize that?
You know, it's such a great feeling. When I worked on the song, every artist tries to do their best, and I think I can tick that and say that I have succeeded, and it's picking up all over the world. But Greece, I can officially say, is the first country that have absolutely opened their arms to the single and accepted that. So Greece will have a special spot in my heart for the rest of my life.
Μας ευχαριστεί με λίγα λόγια γιατί η Ελλάδα ήταν η πρώτη χώρα που αγκάλιασε τόσο πολύ το τραγούδι αυτό. Δεν το περίμενε και ο ίδιος, αλλά σίγουρα είναι πάρα πολύ χαρούμενος και μας ευχαριστεί. Ούτως ή άλλως, όπως είπε, και αυτός και οι συνεργάτες του κάνουν ό,τι καλύτερο μπορούσαν για αυτό ακριβώς το λόγο, για να είναι ένα τραγούδι υπέροχο και να το ακούμε. Με λίγα λόγια, εγώ το λέω πιο παραφραστικά.
Anis, tell us more about Walking on Air, how things started and let's say about your collaboration with Snoop Dogg and Bella Blue.
The collaboration with Snoop Dogg was obviously a long time in the making. We were working on the single for about 1.5 years. When I first made the song, obviously I wrote the song for Rihanna, and I wanted to get her involved, as I thought it would do very well. But unfortunately, due to her filming in the UK, her movie Battleships, it just didn't work out. So I got Bella, and Bella, as we have heard, she has such a beautiful voice, and the coincidence that she has a similar voice to Rihanna, which really, it made me realize that it's the perfect thing, and it's just the way things should be. And then I thought, all right, let's get a big name still attached to it. And at the time, my management have a great relationship with Snoop, so they sent him the song. And within 24 hours, I was on the phone call with my manager, Snoop, and his manager, saying that they want to record the song as soon as possible because this is an international hit. So it was just a great pleasure.
Μάλιστα, ο Anis μας είπε με λίγα λόγια ότι αρχικά το τραγούδι αυτό προοριζόταν για την Rihanna, όμως επειδή η Rihanna είχε ανηλυμένες υποχρεώσεις, γνωρίζουμε όλοι ότι συμμετείχε και σε μια ταινία προσφάτως με πολεμικό ναυτικό και τέτοια ήταν το story, τη θυμάστε. Βρήκαν την Bella Blue, η οποία έχει μια φωνή η οποία μοιάζει στην Rihanna και συνεργάστηκε πάρα πολύ καλά. Και φυσικά ο manager του Anis, έχοντας καλές σχέσεις και με τον Snoop Dogg, βοήθησε στο να ολοκληρωθεί και να γίνει αυτή η υπέροχη συνεργασία που μας αρέσει πάρα πολύ. Anis, lyrics are also yours. Anis?
Sorry? Yeah, sorry about that.
Lyrics are also yours.
Yeah, the lyrics was done. The funny thing was, I had a producer by the name of Casey Porter. He's one of the biggest record producers in America, who has worked with Michael Jackson, Ricky Martin, Celine Dion. He's a good friend of mine, so I got him involved to write the lyrics. I wrote the lyrics with him, and then for Snoop's section, I actually wrote it with Snoop while he was in Australia. We came together, we recorded in Australia. So it was myself, Casey, and Snoop Dogg who wrote the lyrics. Yes.
Η ερώτηση που έκανα στον Anis ήταν αν η στίχη στο τραγούδι αυτό είναι δική του. Μας απάντησε ναι, ήταν δική του σε συνεργασία με παραγωγό πολλών μεγάλων καλλιτεχνών.
Anis?
Yes.
Where do you draw inspiration from when you write songs, and what's your favorite part about the process?
I love from a young age, from the age of 3, I was playing the keyboards. I love music. Music is my life. Music is the, if I'm stressed or if I'm upset or if I'm extremely happy, I will go write a song, and it's the best way to express my emotions at the time. And the fantastic process in making a song and being able to distribute it and promote it to the world for the public to hear is probably the greatest achievement that any artist can hold. And I'm just so blessed that I can make music, and it's such a great feeling right now. I'm walking on air because it's so big in Greece. I feel like just jumping off the building and flying. So it's just a great feeling.
Nice. I suppose the first steps are in your keyboard.
Yes, I started off with the keyboards, and then I play a bit of everything. You give me any instrument within 10 minutes, I should be able to play something. But my main keys are, percussion, and then we've got the keyboards, and the piano is my main forte.
Με λίγα λόγια, ο Ανής μας λέει ότι οι δημιουργίες του ξεκινούν από τα πλήκτρα και από το πιάνο και από το αρμόνιο, και ξεκινάει και συνθέτει τα τραγούδια του και μετά τα συνεχίζει και τα περνάει στα προγράμματα εκεί που δημιουργούν τη μουσική. Φυσικά να πω σε όλους εσάς ότι όλη η συνέντευξη θα απομαγνητοφωνηθεί και πλήρες απαντήσεις του Ανής θα υπάρχουν και στο site μας. Ανής, personally I have to declare that I have walking on air on my iPod, and I have admit that I have listened in repeat mode many times. This is one of my 2-3 favorite songs these days.
Thank you so much. I'm very humbled.
If I was to turn on your iPod right now, what three artists or songs would I see on your recently played list?
Right now, because with the whole success with Greece, I've been tuning into a lot of the Greek music, and someone that I'm falling in love with the music is Ivy, who's doing very, very well, and I just love her La 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 love song, and it's just beautiful. I listen to a lot of the new stuff that's coming out before it hits the radio, so I can see what's hot. But I listen to a lot of whoever you can think of, from the David Guettas to the Rihannas to the Chris Browns, all the big American acts, and then you've got Armin van Buuren and all the electronica music guys. But I've got a mix of everyone. I even have Arabic artists. I will even have Turkish. I have a mix of everything I like to listen to.
Ρώτησα τον Ανής ότι αν είχα την δυνατότητα να πάρω το iPod του και να δω ποια τραγούδια ακούει αυτό το καιρό, τα 2-3, μας ανέφερε ότι το αρέσει πάρα πολύ, αρχίζει και ακούει, μιας και ασχολείται τώρα τελευταία και βρίσκεται και στην Ελλάδα, η ελληνική μουσική, και μάλιστα αρχίζει και γίνεται φάνη της Ivy Adamou, ακούει τα τραγούδια της όπως το La La Love που το αρέσει πάρα πολύ, και φυσικά έχει και όλα τα μεγάλα ονόματα της μουσικής βιομηχανίας, Chris Brown κτλ.
Anis, now how you imagine yourself 10 years from now?
It's a long time.
I suppose with wife and children. Huh?
I hope so. That's very important to me as well. I really want to have a family, but right now, with the success of the single and hopefully more singles to come, I just want to make sure that I can commit 100% to my art and make sure that when I have a family, I can make sure I can contribute a lot of time with my kids and obviously my wife. So it's very good to have the balance. But within 10 years, I hope I'm still working in the entertainment industry, whether it be if I'm producing or if I'm, knock on wood, if I'm still an artist. God, that would be great. But just pretty much anything within the entertainment industry. I could be managing another artist with all the experiences I have. But I hope within the next 10 years I will be still a key player within the entertainment industry.
Ρώτησα τον Ανής πώς φαντάζεται τον εαυτό του σε 10 χρόνια από τώρα. Φαντάζομαι, τον ρώτησα με γυναίκα και παιδιά, εντάξει θα το ήθελε, αλλά τα σχέδιά του έχουν να κάνουν με τη δουλειά του, ετοιμάζει κάποια νέα singles και σίγουρα έκλεισε λέγοντας ότι αυτό που θα ήθελε σε 10 χρόνια να συνεχίσει να βρίσκεται στη μουσική βιομηχανία και να παράγει όλα αυτά τα hit που μας αρέσουν. Anis, what plans you have during your staying in Greece? I read that you will also visit many places here.
Yes. I've been in Athens for the past 2 days. We've had we met up with a few TV and radio stations here, and obviously just preparing and unwinding. From tomorrow morning, we'll be heading off, and I've got over 8 or 9 shows around Greece, so I'll be travelling a fair bit, and I'll have to be coming back for the Mad Awards for the performance for the single.
Super. Anis,
Yes.
tell us, because I have to release you.
Yes.
Because you have a lot of things to do today.
There is.
Tell us anything, a message about UFM, just to remember you.
I want to personally, Anis K personally wants to thank UFM for the support from day one. And hopefully when I'm in town, I can come personally into your studios and give you all a big hug and congratulate you on your success and our success together. And I'm really appreciative, and I thank you very much for the support.
Very nice. Anis, me, Diamantis, and also Nancy, thank you very much for having you.
Thank you very much.
I hope you really
Thank you.
like our country and enjoy our sun and sea.
Fantastic, I will. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you, Anis.
Nice to meet you,
Likewise,
Anis.
take care.
Thank you.
Likewise.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You have to know that the UFM will support you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it and I respect it. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Αυτός ήταν ο Anis K. Το ζητήσαμε να πει στο τέλος και ένα μήνυμα για τον UFM, έτσι για να τον έχουμε, να το θυμόμαστε.
Αναμνηστικό.
Τι έχεις να πεις, Νάνση, για τον Anis?
Τα καλύτερα, είχα λίγο άγχος βασικά.
Ήταν λίγο... Η διαδικασία η δύσκολη με το ραδιόφωνο είναι ότι δεν έχουμε τη δυνατότητα των υποτίτλων, οπότε έπρεπε με την ποιότητα της τηλεφωνικής γραμμής, την αντίστοιχη, να κάνουμε τις μεταφράσεις όσο καλύτερα μπορούσαμε,
σίγουρα,
γιατί μας πίεζε και ο χρόνος. Η αλήθεια είναι πολύ περιορισμένο χρόνο για να μιλήσουμε μαζί του και ήδη νομίζω του φάγαμε και 5 λεπτά παραπάνω από ό,τι μας ζήτησαν να είμαστε βιαστικοί.
Δεν πειράζει.
Οπότε μεταφράσαμε τα απολύτως απαραίτητα. Σίγουρα όμως η συνέντευξη για να ενημερώσω τους πάντες θα απομαγνητοφωνηθεί και μαζί με το ηχητικό απόσπασμα θα ανέβει στο site μας και στο Facebook με πλήρες τις ερωτήσεις και τις απαντήσεις.
Wow.
Για να έχουμε. Εμείς κάναμε ό,τι καλύτερο μπορούσαμε, έχοντας την πίεση του χρόνου. Αγαπάμε Anis, αγαπάμε Walking on Air. Εγώ θα σας χαιρετήσω κάπου εδώ, γιατί η εκπομπή είναι της Νάνση, εγώ είμαι εμβόλυμος εδώ.
Άντε, γεια σου
Και
Διαμαντή.
φυσικά θα συνεχίσετε την εκπομπή αυτή με την Νάνση Παλιβού, όπως ξέρετε και αγαπάτε καθημερινά. Εδώ στο You.